Hello, I am Rosen Çelik.
I'm Mekonnen Şahin. We are coming from Turkey.
The name of our project is Osmos Water Covering and Osmos Irrigation System of Agricultural Lands. This project that the world population, which is 7.3 billion today, will increase to 10 billion by 2050. In addition to the increase in population, the need for food is expected to increase by 50% in the 2030s. Due to problems such as destruction of natural areas, global warming, urbanization, and nutrition. At the same time, the ratio of water resources and arable land is decreasing all over the world. You are now seeing the map of water stress in 2040 according to the World Resource Institute on the screen. The product is obtained from the agricultural areas face minerals from the planting stage. The most important of these risks is adverse water conditions, meteorological events such as strong storms and winds, strong rain and flood disasters, drought and hail damage agricultural lands, and cause complete destruction of crops. Therefore, it harms farmers and country's economy. Farmers often cover their fields with glass mesh nylon cover or a nylon with canvas cover to protect their fields from hail, rain, and excessive sunlight. However, it's known that in this application, nylon, linoleum, and nylon light cross-stitch covers on the plants remain on the agricultural land continuously for approximately 3 months. Therefore, it is seen that plants reduce the rate of sunlight they receive. In addition, these covers are constantly exposed to factors such as sunlight and wind, so they wear out in 2 or 3 years. Therefore, it brings extra material cost to the farmer as well as the cost of removing and covering the covers on a seasonal basis. In addition, environmental pollution occurs as a result of disposing of these old covers in the garbage or by burning them. In agricultural lands, to reduce product and cost loss, to save water and energy, to prevent the reproduction of agricultural pests caused by moisture, to reduce the use of pesticides, to prevent environmental pollution, and it is aimed to contribute to the economy of the country.
You can see the materials we use on the screen and their prices. We spent a total $26.50 for the prototype of this project. You currently seeing photos of the materials we use on the screen. Arduino Mega 2560R3 was used in this project. In the software, Arduino's own programming language has been applied. Temperature, humidity, and pressure sensors used in the construction of this project are sensors that measure the change in ambient air and output in analogous manner. These sensors continuously measure the changing temperature, humidity, and pressure values and estimate the rain and hail situation by looking at the temperature, humidity, and pressure change per hour. You can see the photo of our project on the screen now. The aim of the agriculture and food sector is not only to make money. It's also necessary for feeding the rapidly growing population and provide job opportunities. Therefore, many countries resort to smart agriculture and precision agriculture in order to increase profitability, not to be affected by adverse effects of climate change, to meet increasing demand in the markets and to increase product quality. The current work should be improved in order for practice to become. Widespread necessary support should be given to the farmers. We would like to thank our advisor İZMİR and Manisa Viticulture Research Institute Technical Department with Dr. Turcan Teker for their contribution. Thanks for listening.